Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Friends, we are now today going to really understand what's the definition of communication. Till now, as I told you, that we've been talking, we've been chatting with our friends, we keep on blabbing with all our relatives, friends, family. But then, do we really know what is communication? So I'll explain you what the definition of communication is completely. So communication skills is a two-way process of exchanging ideas, information and transmitting messages effectively and efficiently. When I say this is, the meaning is that my thoughts should reach someone else's thoughts in that same particular manner in which I want it to get transmitted. It's a complete cycle of me sending a message and the person receiving that message in the same line format of what me wants to tell that person exactly the way I want to communicate. So that person should understand what I'm really meaning about it. So understanding when we talk about means what we really want to communicate. It's not only when I talk, we really don't know how much that person has understood, whether the ideas have got transmitted into their thoughts or no. So we have to see to it that whenever we talk or whenever we communicate, it's very clear, it's up to the mark, and that person understands what we really are talking. Only then my thoughts are getting conveyed to you and it's now your thought. This is a complete definition of communication skills. This is how we understand what exactly are we supposed to talk about. So today, since we've discussed about this, now henceforth we have to make sure that we communicate in the correct manner and the right way. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and tune into Ekeeda.